Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Lim Zapsiu. And what do you do is this month's theme, okay? 我们这个月呢都一直教大家怎么说你是在做什么的，对不对？ How do you say that?
是嘛嘅條路。
是嘛嘅條路 OK， 其實條路这个字就可以好好的教了。你说条路，大家说哦，大概就知道你在讲工作嘛，对不对？条路 that means a job or your career. All right, on this edition, let's focus on the educators. There's a lot of teachers who tune into ICRT that ask their and recommends their students to listen to ICRT. So let's dedicate this edition to teachers. How do you say 老師？
先生
啊，对嘛，先生就先生、醫生。老师都是差不多一样，对不对？
都可以讲这个先生。
先生 okay, that's a teacher, which can also be applied to Mr. a doctor, but specifically to teacher. 我觉得听到先生，第一个还是想到的是老师啊。All right, there are different schools, right? 有从幼稚园啦、国小啊、國中，顺便来教大家怎么说好吗
？Okay.
How do you say kindergarten?
幼稚園。
幼稚園 okay, that's kindergarten. 國小呢？
國小。
國小 that's 國小 elementary school. 那國中 junior high 呢？
國中。
國中 that's junior high school. All right. 通常我们说老师是一个统称嘛，但如果是那种大学教授，我们会说 professor。哇，英文也会有不一样 ，teacher 跟 professor 有点不太一样。How do you say 教授 professor？
告诉
哦，告诉我，
告诉你，他就是
告诉。对，要听教授的话，因为他会告诉你很多事情嘛，对不对？告诉。
那海陆腔。告诉
OK， 这比较像教授了，对不对？ Those are two different ways of saying professor, and it sounds like telling you something. Let's make a phrase. 我是大学教授 I'm a college professor.
我是大學教授。
我是大學教授 Okay, again, that's I am a college 大學 that's college 教授 professor. Let's review these terms. Teacher 老師
先生
先生 and then three schools. 幼稚園、國小、國中。
幼稚園、國小、國中。
幼稚園、國小、國中。And then finally, a professor. 教授。
教書。
教書啊，这个我会牢牢记住了啊。And it's all about what do you do?
是嘛嘅條路。
是嘛嘅條路. And hopefully you learn a little bit more right here with Practical Hakka, especially to teachers out there. And that does it for today's edition.
是麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.